Hello everyone, this is Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas, and today we will try together a new vacuum sealer. So I was actually asked to review the Cromify vacuum sealer that you see here. So it was an easy purchase on Amazon, one-day delivery with Prime, and we will try it out together. So unboxing and review, and this is a honest review here. Meaning, yes, I got this product, but you know me, I'm not gonna lie to you. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You're gonna see in the video, we will try it together. And as a reference, this is my third vacuum sealer. So I started with the Nutrichef a while back. So that's the original one I had in the house. Then I was asked to review the Geryon vacuum sealer. I made a video a while back. It was working good as well, and so this is the third one that we will compare with the previous two and see how it works. But let's open it up together and see what's inside. It does come with a warranty. I believe I saw it, I saw it on that side. For the main body, it is 1 year from the date of purchase. So that's actually exactly what I was mentioning. So that is the 12 months warranty, and the details here for the coverage. So what do we have in there? We do have a few bags, nice. We have a few more bags that you can cut to size, very nice, with a little I think here free. Ooh, free. What is free? Let's see. Free product giveaway. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that? Free bag or roll. Okay, so we need to register the product on that one, I think. Very nice. We got some links. So that's an easy manual on how to use it in one page. It's actually very nice material. And here is a bit of a bigger user manual. All right, so we'll check it out. But first, let's get this out of the box. So here it is, that vacuum sealer. You put this on the side. And let me lower the camera so that you get to see what I am doing right here. Yes. All right. So here is the vacuum sealer. Let me show you all the options. So you have the canister mode that I use a lot given I vacuum seal mason jars. The two modes, normal or gentle. The food, moist or dry. And then you go to vacuum seal, seal, stop, and the on and off. So if we look on the inside, that's a pretty classic view, I would say, for a vacuum sealer. Seals right there. And if we look on the side, we do have the canister entry right there, and it does come with the adapter, the hoses for the vacuum sealing of the jars, so which I use a lot, so that is perfect. And so to test the Cromify vacuum sealer, we are going to do two things. We are first going to vacuum seal a steak, and we are going to vacuum seal a mason jar, which I do very often given I dehydrate vegetables, and here it's bananas. So we want to vacuum seal it to keep it longer. Let's try it out. All right, so the first thing we are going to do is to vacuum seal the steak right there. And to do so, we can either use one of the bags. So that one is already sealed at the bottom, or otherwise we can just cut a bag out of the roll and seal it. Here, given the size of the steak, it is gonna fit just fine here in this bag. As you can see, right there. You want to make sure you leave some space here for the vacuum sealing exercise, but it's big enough. So I'm going to use one of these bags. All right, so I just place my steak in the bag. Just plug it in. It's on. So what I'm going to do here, oops, with me. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the end of the bag flat in that area, just like it says, right there. And we are going to close the vacuum sealer. Well, that one doesn't click like the other ones. All right. So my mode is going to be normal, and my food is actually dry here, given it's a steak. So we're going to vacuum seal. Do you see the compression here? Now it just turned on to sealing. Look at that. And it just done. Wow. That's actually impressive. That was really quick and perfect. Look at this. It just perfectly sealed my bag here. And look at that vacuum seal. I mean, it did not even take 10 seconds. Extremely fast. It's actually faster than my other two vacuum sealer. So on this, it's definitely a thumb up. Very nice. I could have probably cut the bag and used a bit less, but that's my fault, not the vacuum sealer. So really thumbs up on that one. Extremely fast and very good suction power. Second test, we're gonna vacuum seal this mason jar. So to do so, you need to remove that ring, and we're gonna vacuum seal it with, see, it is not vacuum sealed. So what we need here, we need that adapter. That is something I have that did not come with a Cromify. You can find it on Amazon. It's actually the brand Food Saver. I will put the link in the description below. So you put it on top just like this. And here we are going to use the hose that came with the vacuum sealer. So normally, let me see if, I think this top here, this part here, and we need to do the canister. And that is it. It usually lasts about this long, 10 to 15 seconds. So to make sure it worked, we're gonna see if we hear a little pop. Let's check it out. Yes, we did. Look at that. So gently we remove this, which was already going away, and look at this. It is vacuum sealed. You cannot, I mean, that's it, done. So really good as well on this test. It's actually not as noisy when it vacuum seals my canister compared to my other two. So either the Nutrichef or the Geryon, where they were making a lot more noise, about the same time, but more noise. So honestly, it's 2 thumbs up here, and I think it's actually more powerful even than my first 2 vacuum sealer. So I would definitely highly recommend. Of course, you never know how long it's gonna last, if it's gonna break in a month or 2, so that's the limit of this exercise. It is brand new, and brand new, it works amazing. So definitely recommend. A lot of suction power. I will put the link in the description below, and if you want to try it out, please do so. Highly recommend. I hope you found it all interesting, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you all for watching.